Hey y'all, just coming to make a quick little video. Finally finished my salon. I have like little things I want to do and change and kind of update and make it look a little bit nicer. But for the most part, my salon is done. So that's what today's video is about. I'm so excited. So I'm sitting in my regular job, my 9 to 5 job at lunch, just sitting in my car just to get some fresh air. But I wanted to show you guys the salon. So this is my intro. But anyways, this hair is from parkerjaysbeauty.com. If you like it, this is 3 bundles of 20-inch hair. So y'all can see it's kinky curly. This is the signature curl. Definitely matches my hair to the T. If you use code MILAB, you will get a discount on the hair. But this is it. All right, onto my salon space. All right, y'all, so like I said earlier, this is pretty much it for right now. I'm just going to take a break so I can go ahead and actually start taking my clients. So I'm going to walk y'all around. It's very small. And then I'm going to let you guys know what I'll be doing next in my space because like I said, this is going to get us through. So I did get these custom shelves. I don't want to show my government name. I got these custom shelves from PJ's Custom Woodwork. I'll tag them in the description box. And it's really my husband's company, but anyways, he built the custom shelves for me, the floating shelves. This is my shampoo bowl. It is 100%. There's no plumbing whatsoever. So these tanks that I use right here, you fill this tank. I have 2. So you fill this tank, and that's their water supply. And then that's where it releases your wastewater. So you just empty them out. So I usually keep, when I'm working, I'll keep this one full just in case I run out if I have a lot of clients, and then I'll keep this one on hand so that way I can empty out quick. But when I'm not working, I usually put them up, but I haven't for today. So this is my little shampoo area. This is my ring light and my grass wall. So my grass wall, I've ordered some things. I'll try to link the picture in the description because I bought like some leaves and stuff. They're huge because I want this to look more jungle-like. So I'll make sure I put that in the description box as well. This grass wall also came from Amazon. So pretty much all of that did. I got these shelves from Target, and I got these from Target as well. I got the little pots from Amazon. I don't really like them. They didn't come out as I imagined. So over time, I probably will change them out, but that's what I got for now. And I got this is my working station when I'm doing hair. I got this from Home Goods. And then this is normally put up. This is my nail table. I don't take nail clients. That's just for myself. So whenever I'm doing my nails, I have this out. But if I'm not, I usually put this up in the closet. But I'm going to be redoing my nails today. So that's that. So here's my little chair. I got this from Home Depot. Home Depot? Yeah, I got it from Home Depot. Me and my kids built this ourselves. My husband had to come in the end and help us out at the bottom because we were struggling. But this took 4 hours. So if you haven't watched my previous videos, it took forever. So it comes with drawers and storage. It has cabinets. So everything's pretty much like put away. I let my kids do this, so it's not perfectly organized, but it's better than nothing. Then I got this mirror right here. This mirror came from Home Goods as well. I bought this dryer on OfferUp. This chair, these 2 chairs came from IKEA. And then I had a lady a couple years ago make this pillow for me. It's starting to kind of peel, but it works. And then this is my big mirror. Don't mind me. I got this from Amazon as well. I'll make sure I link this. And then I got a little pot because y'all know I like real plants. So this is my lemon tree. It's coming along. It started out as like a little bitty baby like this, like down to here. So you see we growing. So I brought it inside because in Texas it's hot as I don't know what. So this is it for now. I am going to paint the edges of this sign white so it'll look better. My realtor bought that for me. I absolutely love it. But I just want to make sure it matches better. And then right here, I'm going to put a barn door. I'll try to insert a picture of that too because there's a certain barn door you use when you have a small space on the side. So I'm going to do that. And then our next big project, well, the light. We're going to change that out and I'm going to put a huge chandelier. So that's not really a big project, but our big project will be enclosing this space 100%. So I plan on closing all of this and putting a huge glass door, but like, you know, of course, glam. so I can close off my space and then I can have my space to myself. So those of you who have been watching me from the beginning, thank you. So I will keep you posted on everything as we continue to work in here, and that's pretty much it, y'all. So thanks for watching. We are going to get the floors redone. Forgot about that. But yeah, that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.